Okay, and what's in this village, sorry?
Bunda.
Bunda?
Yeah. VCC.
Let's go!
Even like a Fijian don't use seatbelt.
He said, don't use a seatbelt, be like a Fijian. I don't trust your driving, brother. You've cursed yourself there, you know, now you're going to have a car crash. And you're going to say, and I'm going to say, you should have worn your seatbelt.
If you wear the seatbelt, you protect your driving. You know, accident.
If you don't wear a seatbelt, you have to drive better, yeah? Some logic. Right, I'm back at the hotel. we just drove for 10 minutes and then he went, where's your bag? You're supposed to bring spare clothes and a towel. Yeah, I forgot about that, so just had to drive back. The only thing I remember him saying that we're gonna do is zip line and a mud bath. But he says it's like a day tour and there's loads of other cool stuff you can do, do you know what I mean? So, no, I have no idea. But if we're going to see the Bunda, I'm all about it, do you know what I'm saying? He's telling me this is the mountain of the small sleeping giant. I'm not sure, can you see? Look, there's the head, there's his body, and there's his feet. It looks like a man lying down. Yeah. A big fat man. Yeah. Like me and you.
And, and this one, the big one this side.
The big one, what's the big one? That man as well?
Covered by cloud. This one, the Garden Sleeping Giant, and the hot spring, and the mud bath.
Oh, that's where we're going, yeah? Oh, hot springs.
The biggest one, the Zipline and the waterfall there.
Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go look at some waterfalls, do a zip line, have a mud bath, hot spring, and then village and jerk each other off. And town. Sounds good, brother. Sounds good. Are you gonna come in the mud bath with me?
Yeah.
Yeah? You coming in as well?
No.
Yeah? Yeah? I'll pay for you. You come in. Me and you, Joe, you coming on the zip line as well?
No.
Yeah? Yeah, you come in, you come in. I don't think you realise you've actually signed up for a day out. You're not actually my taxi driver. You're actually coming with me to do all of the stuff. Although maybe not the mud bath because you don't have spare clothes, but the zip line definitely.
I'm just gonna take your photo, taking you for.
No. You're not scared, are you?
I'm afraid.
No.
Yeah.
You're a big man.
No.
Yeah.
Because Zipline under the waterfall.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, brother, you're doing it. Come on, Joe. You got? Do you have bollocks? You got big bollocks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you're doing it.